Hi everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel Farm with me KE. My name is John and I'm here to share with you the second part of my video, that is chicken formula, or rather chicken nutrition. And today I'll be sharing the growers part of it. So keep it here. Remember to subscribe to the channel, remember to like my videos, and also remember to hit that notification bell so that whenever I post you'll be able to be notified. Yeah, this is a young channel that I want to grow, and with your help I can be able to grow it. Remember, I can grow so many things, including plants, but I cannot be able to grow this channel without your help. So kindly remember to subscribe, remember to share this video with your friends, because I think it will be beneficial to many farmers. And without much ado, let me jump right into the video. So I'm going to start with whole maize. Remember, my formula has 14 ingredients, and the first one is whole maize. Whole maize, we are going to do 135 kgs. That's a reduction from 300 for the chick mash. We are going to do maize bran, 180 kgs. That's the same as the chick mash. We're also going to do fish meal, 75 kgs. It's also a reduction from 140. That was what makes chick mash more expensive than growers. It's because we require a lot of protein in it. Then I'm going to go to wheat bran. Wheat bran is a lot. It's 450 kgs. 450 kgs. Remember, I'm going to post the ingredients here so that we can be able to get the figures. And you have to watch this video up to the end so that you can be able to grasp the whole formula. So sunflower cake, this sunflower cake that's milled, it's 120 kgs. It's also a reduction. Chick mash has 150. Limestone, we are going to do 60 kgs. That's same as chick mash. Bone meal or shells, they have to be milled. We are going to do 15 kgs. It's also a reduction from the chick mash. Chick mash has 25 kgs. And so we're going to do DCP, like calcium phosphate. We're going to add 4 kgs. We actually don't require a lot of calcium for growing chicks as compared to young chicks and also the laying birds. So we need 4 kgs. That's a reduction of 1 kg compared to chick mash. And now for the small ingredients, that we are going to start with growers premix. Growers premix will be 2.5 kgs. 2.5 kgs will be enough for our chick. That's growers premix. Remember how you have to insist that you want growers premix, not chick, not layers premix, because this is a formula that has been made in factory and they've mixed all the necessary ingredients that are required by your growing chicken, or rather growing chicks. Remember, growing chicks, we are starting from the age of the 9th week of their life. We are going to go up to 15 to 16 weeks old. So that's the growing stage. Yeah, we are going to add methionine. Methionine, we are going to add a quarter kg compared to half kg for chick mash. We are going to add lysine. Lysine, these are specific vitamins. Lysine, we are going to add a quarter kg. That's 0.25 of a kilo. Then we require toxibinder because we need to reduce toxins in our feeds. Ideally, most of the things we give to these chicks, we don't know their source. So let's reduce those toxins from the chicks. So we are going to do half a kg. And then we are going to add common salt. We require sodium, we require chlorine, we require all these things to make the food palatable so that our chicks can ingest and eat everything that we are going to feed them. And then after common salt, we are going to add coccidiostat. The reason we are adding coccidiostat is that to reduce all those, there's some direct bacterial infections that our chicks may encounter. So we want to reduce that. Remember, coccidiosis is a kind of an antimicrobial. So this ends here. Our layers chicken do not have to take coccidiosis, and I believe their immune system will have already grown, and they really don't require. So let me post there and also remind you to subscribe to my channel. I know you want to subscribe to my channel, but something that you don't subscribe to, please subscribe to the channel. This helps me to grow this channel so that I can be able to share with you many things that I know. Behind me is a coop. It's a very big chicken coop, you can see. That's why I've been keeping my chicken before, but right now I'm using it for storage for the animal feeds, for the sheep feeds. So guys, that's the formula. I believe those are all 14 ingredients that you require for your growers mash. And there's some, remember, this formula is totaling to approximately 1 ton, 1,000 kgs. So If you require more than that, you can always add what you want or reduce per the formula. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe and share. Remember to hit the subscription button so that whenever I post the next video, you'll be able to be notified. God bless you. Let's continue growing our feeds. Bye bye. Cheers. See you on the next.